Hi everybody, Jason from Map the World Travel, and today we're on board Atlas Ocean Voyages World Navigator. Today we're at cabin 610. This is the journey suite, the entry suite on board Atlas Ocean Voyages. And just starting here in the living room. So you can see we have a large desk with a oversized TV. Entry directly to the balcony from the living room. And this couch here actually pulls out to a sofa bed if there was 3 people traveling. Part of the bonuses on Atlas with the suite is a welcome bottle of champagne. You have 24-hour butler service and you also receive free laundry. As we walk through to the bedroom here, we'll start off at the walk-in closet. So there's a safe, some drawer space, and some hanging space with robes and slippers as well. It's a nice large walk-in area, spot for your suitcase. As we spin around, this is the bedroom. So it's a queen-size bed that's made up. This can be separated into 2 single beds if you're traveling with a friend or family member. And on this side, you can see there's another TV as well, and a second entry to the balcony. So the standard balcony on Atlas is 50 square feet. With the suites, it's 100 square feet, so you get twice the size. Next to the beds is a universal plug and a USB cord as well. In the desk is a US plug socket as well as a universal. And here is the bathroom. This is one of the largest showers I've ever seen on any cruise line. There's a large shower head there, a handle, and as you spin around, there's a bench seat with 3 power jets as well. So you can actually turn the shower into a jet for your back. Now, no matter what cabin category you're in, L'Occitane products are included with every cabin. These beautiful L'Occitane products are found throughout the ship. And as we spin back around, here is the bedroom once again of the journey suite. A door to separate the space, the entry, and your separate living area. For more information on Atlas, please visit our website at maptheworldtravel.com or reach out to me directly, jason@maptheworldtravel.com, and we'd love to help provide more information about Atlas Ocean Voyages for you.